Hello guys, Cristiano here. I am a C programmer, learning all those things that I can. Hit the subscribe button, let a comment, that'll help so much the channel. All my videos you'll be in a fast mode with explanation. I'll reduce the time to be more precise. And we will face a lot of mistakes and debugs. Everything's calculated, or not. Today we'll talk about logs. Logs are very useful. With them we can trace our code in runtime. If there is a problem, we can check where might be a problem. Let's bring this to our such arsenal. First we create the header, the source, and the test file. We include the header file in the set.h. Back into log header file, we include set status and stdarg headers. It will be three types of logs: none, default, and custom. And we define an enum to log levels. The levels will be fatal, error, warning, info, debug, and trace. For call the logs, we define a template function with a level, format, and VL list as arguments. Now we need to create the log context, which has type and the logger t function. Now we create the args structure to fill the context. To handle the log context, we have four functions: init, open, registry, and close. A little special attention here for the registry. This function will be called when we need to log the message. Let's copy and paste on the source file. Let's implement the init function. Here is easy. We just set an error message and clear the context with a manset function. In the open function will be the same. We test if the args is valid, and after we copy the arg values to the context. To add the log function, we need to verify which type is. To do that, we call the setLoggerBy to check and get the right function. We create more two functions for log types, none in default. In the setLoggerBy function, we check the type, and if it is none, the logger callback will be logger none. It is default, it will be a default logger function. If it will be the custom, this must be provided by the user. In the logger none, we just do nothing. In the logger default, we just print the VA list. For this one, we need the stdio header. In the registry function, we check the format. We create a VA list and start using a format string. After we pass to the callback the level, the format, and the VA args initialized. And we end the VA args. Finally, the close function. Here just clear and return. Now you're going to the test file. We include some headers and we create a logger custom. Here will be just a print like default, but it could be the syslog function to log the messages in log system file. Now we create two log instances, one for default and the other for the custom. We initialize both, and we open the first one with default type and the second one with a custom instance. Use the custom function already created. We use a registry to log a string name, the same for the custom. Alright, we add the new file to the build script, and like always, the rule for the test. We compile and we got an error. We remove the status definition, we try again, and now works fine. We run the tests, all tests are passing. To see the result in the output, we can run directly. Now we can see the names on the screen. That's all for now. I appreciate it if you get here. Don't you forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment and share. Knowledge is not enough. Waiting for more. Bye. See you soon.